Children, welcome back to your EVS class. We are discussing about air, water and weather. That is our third chapter. First of all, I would like to give an important tip for your healthy life. That is, drink plenty of water. That means about 2 liters of water you have to drink every day. Remember, water should be boiled. At some extent, it will help to prevent the diseases. Let us recollect the things which you have learned in your previous classes. We have discussed about air and water. They are the two important factors which help us to live in this earth. In air, there are 3 important gases are present. They are nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen helps us to breathe and carbon dioxide helps the plants to make their food. Next we discuss about water. Water is present in ocean, sea, river, lake, etc. It is also present under the earth, under the ground. Water has 3 forms. They are liquid, solid and gas. The solid form of water is ice. The liquid form of water is water itself. And the gaseous form of water is water vapor. There are 4 important processes which change the form of water. They are evaporation, condensation, freezing and melting. We have discussed about first 2 processes, evaporation and condensation in our last class. Do you remember that? Yes. What is evaporation? Evaporation is the process of changing water into water vapor by heating. What is condensation? The process of changing water vapor into water by cooling. Today, we are going to discuss about other 2 processes. They are freezing and melting. These are the other 2 processes which we have to learn today. The third process is freezing. What will happen? What change will happen in this process? Let's see. Here I have written water and here ice. That means water will change into solid form, that is ice, by cooling. That process is known as freezing. We all have refrigerator in our home. Do you see the freezer? Yes. What will happen if we keep a glass of water inside the freezer? After some time, it will freeze and become ice. So, instead of water, in that glass you can see the ice, isn't it? So, that process which is happening inside the freezer is known as freezing. Children, I fill the tray with water and I am going to keep this tray inside the freezer. Children, this is my freezer. I am going to keep the tray inside it. We'll check after some time. And see the ice cubes. I will show you. I kept the water in this tray inside the freezer. Now look at the tray. The water become ice cubes. Can you see? Next I am going to keep this ice outside for a while. Let's see what will happen after some time. Okay. The fourth and last process is melting. What will happen in this process? I have written ice over here and here water. So what change will happen? Yes, ice will become water by heating. In our third process, we freeze the water and then water become ice. So if we keep that ice outside for a while, what will happen? What change you can notice? That ice will become water after some time. That process is known as melting. Children, after some time I am going to show you what change happened. So it becomes water. Can you see it? Yes. So what change happened here? Yes, melting. You may hear this word melting before. Do you remember that? Sometimes your parents will buy chocolates for you. Some chocolates will get melted after some time. If we keep that chocolate outside for more time, it gets melted. So your parents will tell you, keep that chocolate inside the refrigerator for a while and use it. Do you remember that? Does it happen in your life? Yes, that process also known as melting. In melting, the ice, the solid form will become water, liquid form. Okay, that process is known as melting by heating. This happened because of heating. Let us conclude today's session. Today, we have discussed about two important processes, which are freezing and melting. What will happen in freezing? Yes, water will change into ice by cooling. Next, melting. What will happen in melting? Ice will change into water by heating. Hope all of you understood the topic. Read the lesson every day and study the notes. Which all notes you have to study, I will mention below with notes. You have to follow it. Hope all of you enjoy the class. We'll see in our next class. Goodbye and take care.